G'day, it's fugitive Australian journalist Shane Dowling from the website and YouTube channel Kangaroo Court of Australia. Now, the ABC have been totally humiliated in court today in the Antoinette Lattouf v ABC unlawful termination case. Their own barrister started attacking their own witness, the credibility of their own witness, who's a current ABC employee. Now, I've never seen that before. And ABC's barrister has been lying all over the park about the true state of the evidence. And I've been posting messages on Twitter Live during the court case, and I'll read you out a couple of those messages because they tell the story. First one is ABC's barrister, Ian Neil SC, is now attacking the evidence of their own witness, ABC's Elizabeth Green. And then I asked the question, who attacks their own witness? Green says she didn't give Lattouf a direction not to post anything on social media, which if true, is game over and Lattouf wins. Then I tweeted, the ABC did not challenge Elizabeth Green's evidence when she was on the witness box. So, as a judge pointed out, Green's evidence in her affidavit that she didn't give Lattouf a direction not to post anything on social media is unchallenged. The ABC are arguing they took Lattouf off air because she disobeyed a direction not to post anything about the Gaza-Israeli conflict. But Lattouf's direct boss, Elizabeth Green, said different in the affidavit. She said she didn't give Lattouf a direction not to post anything on social media. So the ABC's barrister, Ian Neil, SC, saying, oh, you can't believe that. It's not credible. It's not supported by any of the other witnesses, what Elizabeth Green said in the affidavit. And Elizabeth Green still works at the ABC, so the ABC are attacking the credibility of their own witnesses is ridiculous and scandalous. Elizabeth Green gave evidence on the witness box, so if the ABC's barrister wanted to challenge her evidence, he could have challenged her when she was on the witness box, but he didn't do that. And given no one's challenged it, it has to be taken as being true and correct by the judge. Antoinette Lattouf says she was sacked because of her political opinion. And the ABC's barrister was ducking and weaving today on that. And I'll read you out something I posted on Twitter. The ABC's barrister, Ian Neil SC, is lying his ass off. He is telling the court that former chair, Ita Buttrose, and former managing director, David Anderson, didn't care about Lattouf's political opinion when she was sacked. Anderson even called Lattouf anti-Semitic, and Ita despised Lattouf. And to support that, the Sydney Morning Herald reported on the same issue. Anderson said in a text message to Chief Content Officer Chris Oliver Taylor at 8:44 p.m. on Monday, December 18th, 2023, which is 2 days before Lattouf was sacked on the Wednesday, and after Lattouf's first shift on air, Anderson said, also, I think we have an Antoinette issue. Her socials are full of anti-Semitic hatred. I'll send you a link. I'm not sure we can have someone on air that suggests that Hamas should return to their ethnic cleansing in Gaza and move on to the West Bank. However, Lattouf had not written this, as Federal Court Justice Daryl Rango notes. She was responding to comments on Instagram and sarcastically suggesting Israel should do that. ABC barrister Ian Neil SC concedes that Anderson may have misread it. He says this does not matter because those comments were never his final position. Well, they were the position a couple of days before she got sacked, and he's flagging that they need to get rid of her. So it's pretty damaging. And he doesn't expressly call her anti-Semitic. He says her posts are, but that in effect is calling her anti-Semitic. Ita Buttrose despised her after getting complaints from the lawyers from Israel supporters. And they were obviously calling her anti-Semitic. So for the ABC to be attacking one of their own witnesses in court today becomes comical and humiliating. An employee they're attacking, Elizabeth Green, is still an employee at the ABC. She should institute legal action against the ABC for attacking her credibility, calling her a liar in effect, calling her a perjurer in effect, saying her affidavit evidence can't be believed. And I published a video a couple of days ago titled Ita Buttrose blackmails ABC to hand over evidence to Antoinette Lattouf's lawyer, and that's well worth a read. I thought it had been mentioned in court yesterday or today, but it hasn't been. They've been doing the final submissions yesterday and today. And I'll put a link to that video below this video on YouTube. And there's also other articles on my website and also videos on this YouTube channel you can read in relation to the ABC Antoinette Lattouf legal proceedings. And be greatly appreciated if you do your bit and help shine a light on corruption and by sharing this video on social media. And please hit the like and subscribe button and notification button. And Kangaroo Court of Australia's independent media. I publish a website and YouTube channel. And I'm 100% crowdfunded from viewers like yourself. And I need about 200 more monthly supporters to become financially viable. And you can donate any amount, $3, $5, $10, $15, $20, $30, $40, $50 a month, whatever suits your budget. All helps out in a big way. The link for the Patreon account or PayPal account below this video on YouTube and also on my website. And you can go to my website. There's a donations page there with other donation options. Other than that, thank you for your time and have a good day.